technology is advancing every day and is becoming a very powerful tool for humans. In digital marketing, AI has long been used to present products and services to customers. But has the technology impacted marketing, or is it just a tool for marketers? Watch the video to find out more, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Let's get started! When we talk about marketing, we are referring to the activities a company uses to promote its products and services. To be successful, marketing requires a combination of promotional skills, sales, and the ability to deliver solutions to end users. A process carried out by professionals working within the company or for external marketing companies. In the past, the most widespread promotional activities took place through print, television, and radio, communication channels that still exist and are used today. However, the internet has brought about a significant change in the way companies reach customers. And here comes digital marketing, a form of marketing that emerged in the late 90s and involves the creation and distribution of content through digital media channels, creating a two-way interaction between customers and companies. With the development of Web 2.0, it's necessary for companies to adapt to the new frontiers of digital marketing, which is why they need to hire suitable professionals to fill roles in areas of interest, such as content marketing, which aims to reach a specific target audience through the creation of valuable content, for example by publishing videos. Email marketing, which allows companies to connect with potential customers and anyone interested in their brand via email. Social media marketing, which is used to create interaction and trust in the brand through social media. Again, affiliate marketing, where an affiliate promotes products or services on behalf of a vendor and typically receives a percentage of the sale as revenue. Search engine marketing, SEM, the set of activities undertaken to increase the visibility of a website on search engines. All of this is necessary for companies to attract customers who have gradually changed their buying behavior. Today, the customer has become much more autonomous in mastering new digital systems, which are so user-friendly that even those who are not technologically savvy can at least use their basic functions. In addition to the new technologies that are being implemented to promote digital marketing, we also find artificial intelligence, which is needed to process the countless amount of data that companies are faced with. Artificial intelligence in marketing basically takes advantage of the latest technologies such as machine learning, which allows a computer to learn the context of data through algorithmic models, and natural language processing, the so-called NLP, which allows information to be exchanged between computers and humans. These technologies are being integrated with statistical techniques, such as behavioral marketing, which allows customers to be targeted based on their presumed behavior while browsing a website, using cookie data, search history, browsing habits, and IP addresses. This will provide chief marketing officers with tools and techniques to understand the behavior of target users in order to define goals and strategies. Here is an interesting infographic on the synergy between AI and marketing. So AI is becoming essential in marketing as it enables data to be mined and collected in real time, integrating with major marketing campaign management and CRM platforms that curate the company's relationships and interactions with potential and also existing customers. In this context, AI is used through advanced analytics, a technology based on methods of analysis and data collection that basically predict the likelihood of a potential event occurring. It is therefore used in marketing to anticipate new customer interests and needs before they become apparent. And another feature of AI that will be very useful in marketing is undoubtedly computer vision, which will be able to use facial recognition, for example, to identify and recognize customers entering the store, to whom it will then be possible to offer targeted promotions with the potential to increase sales. The CV can then process images, videos, or other visual input, providing a wealth of information. However, the adoption of AI is being held back by fears that it will completely replace humans. This fear is unfounded, as the synergy between AI and human intelligence can create perfect strategies. If AI offers accuracy and objectivity, human intelligence offers creativity and non-linearity, essential elements for successful marketing. Therefore, an approach that integrates artificial intelligence into the user's customer experience can lead to excellent results in terms of the effectiveness of the chosen strategies. The combination of all these technologies makes up MarTech, whose etymology comes from the union of the words marketing and technology, namely the set of software that marketers use to achieve their objectives. In addition to MarTech, we also know AdTech, which was created to simplify the process of digital advertising and is made up of the tools needed to identify the audience segments to which advertising campaigns should be proposed. If MarTech is used to plan marketing campaign, AdTech is concerned with influencing buyer behavior by promoting offers. Predicting the future of marketing is not easy, given the sheer number of innovations and changes we face on a daily basis. Consumers need to be targeted by companies with offers that are relevant to their needs, which is why one of the cornerstones of marketing today is personalization. This is where cookies come in, especially third-party cookies. They are small text files embedded in web pages. They can be used to collect detailed information about the user who is visiting the site, such as their interests or the site they visit, and to refine the user's profile in order to offer personalized advertising. In the future, digital marketing will focus on developing the fusion of MarTech and AdTech, giving rise to MadTech, or the collection of a large amount of digital data that companies have and using it to market and promote their brand more effectively. This will make it possible to ensure greater personalization, which will not only lead to increased sales, but also to greater and lasting loyalty to the company. In addition, the proliferation of new realities such as the metaverse will open up great new opportunities, given the resulting transformation of interaction through the internet. However, it will only be possible to define the future of marketing in this area once we get used to the idea of immersive technologies. And speaking of metaverse, if you would like to know more about blockchain, NFTs, crypto, decentralized autonomous organizations, I suggest you take a look at my video right here in the corner, which is just focused on all that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you find it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for more digital content and business tips. See you soon. Ciao.